Here we go, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the fin. Oh crap. Gonna install some LED lights. And lift this up. And then this should just come right off. Oh. Accessory on to see which one is the reverse lights. Or actually, I think I have a pretty good guess. That one right there. Remove that one. Gonna need my light, but basically that's how you change. Let's see, I'll show you. Check it out. This is what I'm gonna be installing. So that's basically it. That's how you install you install these lights. So clips. Clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, remove it, move this, and it's that one right there. Let's see, this one. So that's that. And then there it is.